Yes, we're back. We're live now. A part of the show where I have constantly won. I mean, I never get tired of winning.
Constantly
Looking at
winning.
the
So
stats.
I rescued two to your boy.
Looking at the
Constantly
stats, you know, it's always stacked against me. But just in case you guys wonder what I'm talking about, whenever we have a guest on the show, we play a little game, you know, because entertainment, music, and acting, they go hand in hand. You know, when they're shooting music videos, they're basically acting. And now we're going to see how good Adina is at acting. Before we do, have you ever acted anyway?
Yes, please.
Tell us about that. Yeah. And how did that go?
The first time I tried it, it was on Ochame Kwame's stage production called The Versatile Show, where I played the lead role.
Okay.
And then I was in a movie 2 years ago called A New Flame, and I was also the lead actress. So yeah, I think I've got this thing covered.
You do.
Yeah.
So should we expect more movies then?
Say what?
Should we expect more movies?
I mean, it depends. If I get good scripts, why not?
We like that.
Bring us some good scripts. But before we do get to that, Mz Dru has a game, another game.
Games make me happy.
Right?
Like, I'm excited. So the first one we're gonna do is see how well do you know your colleagues, sisters, friends, guys in the music industry. So their face is going to go up here, but their face is going to be covered. And let's see if you can figure out who it is. Okay, so number one. Who is this? Look at her face.
How can you people give me a body? Like how?
Who is this? 5.
Oh, relax.
I'm
4.
wondering.
Listen,
I'm wondering.
I don't know.
2.
Kwesi Arthur.
1. Kwesi Arthur. I haven't seen Kwesi Arthur in an outfit like this before. Lego, who is it?
Is she right? Is she right? Whoa.
I should have thought about the color.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Who
Steph, yeah.
is She didn't even waste no time.
It looks like her.
Is she correct?
Is it her?
I told you about this side. Okay, no, it is of course Eno. Next. Who is this? Ooh.
Wow.
Look properly. Who wears shades? Who has necklaces like that? Who wears these colors?
Creamy or familiar? Creamy.
Well done. Hey, okay. Oh my God. Okay, this is my favorite one. So, because these guys were cheating last week, so I lost. I've never lost before. Wow. So, girl, do it for me, okay? Do it for me.
I'll try.
So, what we're gonna do is you pick one. Don't tell us what it is. You just need to act it out. Okay, let's go.
And she smiles.
You have to stand.
You could do whatever you want.
Road.
Huh?
Not road.
Swimming, rowing,
Canoe.
on a boat, canoeing, kayaking, kayaking,
Running.
river.
Falling in the water.
Riding the canoe.
Fetching water.
What is this?
Fishing.
Running away.
What is this? It's a
Round.
boat.
Bank.
Oh, it's a boat. It's a boat. It's a boat.
I said
It's
boat.
a boat.
No, you
No, you
didn't.
didn't, Jason. Don't even try it.
Okay, I said Benku.
Shush, 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 shush.
Because you were doing this. You know? So I got confused. That's all I saw.
Okay, next one. Best out of 3. Okay. Mariski's nervous.
You don't look.
I am not looking.
Okay.
Wow. I like this. She's going all
Yeah.
out. Shock.
Surprise.
Surprise.
I did.
No, but I said shocked. Oh my God. Oh
Okay,
my
so-
This
God.
ain't ECG, baby.
I
We ain't shocked.
If I don't get the next
We're
one, I'm
surprised.
off the show.
No, but shocked and surprised is shocked is a better word for surprise.
Yeah.
Let's go. Last one. Okay, come on, Drew, you got this.
Oh wow.
I get cheated on my own show.
This one is hard.
Mike.
Hey, singing.
Oh, relax.
Hiccups.
Hiccups.
No, I said it.
said it
Shut
first.
up. You guys know that it was me. It was Drew. if you guys are watching, you know it was
Drew
Drew.
is
Send
a
us a
bully.
message in the comments. Let us know, Drew, Team Drew.
Drew
we
is
like
a
that.
bully.
We like that.
Adina, we go
Bro,
way back.
thank
You
you
should have
so
given this
much.
to me.
I'm,
No.
I'm off the show.
It's okay.
Okay, at least I wasn't last.
I'm
Varsky.
off the show.
All the best.
Hey, we need you. We need you.
Varsky, but we still need you.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
before you go, do you have any last words for your fans, your supporters?
Yeah.
I just want to say thank you so much for the love and the support. Thank you. Keep streaming Araba, and I made it for you with love. So enjoy.
Yeah, so I mean, I didn't win today, but I still got to talk to Adina, so I'm going to take it in stride. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. She is going to be performing before she leaves, but once again, send us messages, you know, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, myself, Mz Dru, DJ Vorosky, and get in Adina's DMs, you know, for more music. Ask her anything you want to ask her. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.